Yeah, so hey guys, once again I'm in event, once again trying to win it, and once again I'm probably going to fail, but nothing changes the fact that you should like, subscribe, and, okay, you don't need to do anything else, but you should like and subscribe. And the event is water drop, if you, if you didn't know. Yeah. We already did one jump, but it was basically no redstone blocks were there, so it was insanely easy. So I didn't bother to put it in the video, but the second jump was solid, so I put it in. Okay, so the thing I want to say that the stone breaks are actually one long, two short. So that basically means if you got one long thing and two short things, you can do a lot of things. A lot of things, which one of them is make a square. Yeah, okay, I don't know where I'm going with it, but I even don't know where I'm going with this channel. So there are two things I don't know what I'm doing with, but I am doing it. Yeah, so I did it one more time, but most people did it, so that's nothing I can celebrate about. No, one guy didn't make it. It's fine. It's not fine. That's not the word for it. But it's cool that I'm not the worst one. You know, that doesn't happen to me as often. So yeah. Yeah, also, the next jump is going to be probably the jump I get most often out in. So yeah. Maybe this is going to be the first time I don't get out. Maybe I will get out. Hard to say, hard to say. Okay, okay. So what do we got here? I'm not sure. What is that? Oh yeah.